So the current commercial system, commercial mode, if you like, on the taggers, which is currently running here and here, have a single shot functionality. So if I pull the trigger and let go, pull the trigger and let go. What I'd like to do is implement a semi-auto, right? So you can see as we fire, the IR is correctly operating. But as we fire, what I'd like to do is have a 3-round burst, and I want that configurable between different weapons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update the BattleScript code, and I also need to update my BattleScript language. So bear with me and I'll show you how this all works. What I've added here is a simple semi-auto firing timer. Every time it fires, so in this case every 300 milliseconds for the time being, it will call the fire single shot function, and the fire single shot function just plays the audio of a shot WAV. It sweeps the lights in the direction of the muzzle, and it calls fire, which actually does the emitter. All right, I've just uploaded the new firmware, and let's see what happens. So if I hold the trigger button, and if I hit once and then twice, or if I hold down for a little bit and let go. Ooh, look at that bug. So, it's rolled round. All right, that's the bug with the timer. We need to make sure the single shot doesn't fire unless it has ammo. All we have to do is go up to here where we do the fire single shot, and we need to add an if statement in, right? So that we can only fire if there's actually ammo. So here we go. We can probably turn that into a function later if we wanted to. Finally, I wasn't particularly happy with the speed of the semi-auto, so I've changed this from 300 to 100. I actually be much faster now, or 3 times faster obviously. So I'm going to compile that again, and then we're going to upload that. That should be now the final change. Okay, so I've updated the code in this tagger, and it now has semi-auto mode, so let's give it a go. You'll notice that it's open, that's because I've been doing a bunch of hardware updates inside here, but anyway. Nice.